I don't think women and girls should limit themselves to anything. I think they should be brave enough to follow their dreams. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to fall. It's what's important is not how hard you fall, but how you get up after you fall.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So we are going to learn English with Bollywood actress Preeti Zinta ma'am. So this learning process includes two steps. From first step include learning watching clips. Second step include learning from clip. So let's begin.
Hi, good morning, everyone. It's wonderful to be here. Thank you, Jackie. And should we get on with it?
Yeah, we're just going to have a pretty casual conversation about her work and a little bit about what her impact has been. So I'll go right into my first question. You're a celebrated Bollywood actress, and you're also the owner of a cricket team. So tell me what that transition has been like, going from actress to businesswoman, because they're kind of two totally separate things. Tell me what that journey was like for you.
Well, it wasn't the easiest journey, to be honest, because you see, for a woman, cricket is a very macho sport. It's a man's world out there. It was easier to fit in the world of cinema as opposed to fitting in the world of sports. But I think I'd like to rewind and go when I was a little girl. My father, he always told me that Indian girls, when they're little, they're dependent on their fathers. When they are married, they're dependent on their husbands, and when they are older, they're dependent on their sons. So I do not want you to be like that. I want you to be independent. I want you to have a mind of your own, and the only way you can do that is if you are financially independent, you can work. So I always had that mindset that I wanted to work, and it didn't matter if whatever your field is. Like, I studied criminal psychology and I became an actor. So life is very spontaneous. It's not like you make plans and you say, okay, I want to do this, but you end up doing something else. So I didn't think when I was acting I would ever get into the world of sport. But one day I found an opportunity, and I decided I wanted to do it. It was not the easiest, but it was a lot of fun. I worked 18-hour days.
Sheesh.
And eventually, when I look back, and I think if it isn't tough, if there isn't a challenge for you in life, then it's not that exciting. You know, when things just fall easily into your lap, I guess you don't appreciate them. So it's been a bit of an uphill journey, but it's been a fun journey. Because you see, for a woman, cricket is a very macho sport.
Here we see the use of macho. Macho meaning behaving forcefully or showing no emotion in a way traditionally thought to be typical man. Example of macho, how we use word macho in sentence. So example देखते हैं हम इसका. I can't stand macho man.
Like, I studied criminal psychology and I became an actor. So life is very spontaneous. It's not like you make plans and you say, okay, I want to do this, but you end up doing something else.
Here we see the use of spontaneous. The meaning of spontaneous is not planned. So हम देखेंगे spontaneous का sentence में कैसे हम use कर सकते हैं. तो for example, sometimes spontaneous events work out better than well planned ones.
You know, when things just fall easily into your lap, I guess you don't appreciate them.
Here we see the use of word lap. The word lap means knee, thick or fold. कि हम इसको सेंटेंस में कैसे यूज करेंगे, तो एग्जांपल देखिए. He used to lap the page where he stopped reading. So guys, thanks for watching. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.